Hey ladies, it's Dr. Evans here. I've been in practice for more than 22 plus years, and I have talked to women all over the world about things that they suffer from, things that aging has robbed from them, things that childbirth has robbed from them, things that, that they just want to improve. I'm a firm believer that beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And as we all age, we're going to experience changes. We're going to experience things like laxity. We're going to experience things like discoloration, not feeling ourselves, even some general embarrassment about the area. And for the most part, because we have male patients too, I talk to a lot of the husbands and literally they don't care. They are just happy to be in that space with you. But for us ladies, it actually can affect our confidence and literally how we view ourselves. And those are all things that rather than enjoying the moment that we're in at that time with our partner, we're actually thinking like, oh my goodness, is there air that's getting caught? Is it too lax? Is he able to actually have an orgasm? I'm experiencing problems like vaginal dryness, or it actually just simply hurts. So this is the reason why we do all the things that we do here at Sugarland Medical Spa. We have solutions for these problems, and a lot of it can actually be layered. A lot of it can be like I have ladies at different times in life. So literally sometimes my ladies will, in their 30s, they start experiencing dryness. Things like the O shot can help them a lot with this. Sometimes they may have some laxity, but they don't have any children, or the laxity isn't that bad. We actually have non-invasive options to help out with this. Sometimes after having 8 and 10-pound babies, we can have so much laxity where it's actually difficult to feel our partner. Now, mind you, again, our partner is just happy to be in that space. But for us, we're like, oh my goodness, there's air that's getting caught, or, the area looks like it's gaping. These are all the things that women can experience sometimes in life. But I just want to let you know, it actually doesn't have to be that way. You actually can correct some of these things. And we have things that are non-invasive. These are things where we can correct them same day and you can go home and have intercourse later that night. We have things that are more invasive. These are perfect for ladies where, if we have like a gaping vagina, and I've seen ladies like this where literally, if you imagine this is the female anatomy, I can take my fingers and I can put all 4 of them across, and literally they're that wide. So usually when we have children, the vagina can stretch this big. And sometimes, again, it doesn't go back to normal, to where it's more comfortable for us and for our partner. So these are things that can actually be fixed with things like vaginoplasties, perineoplasties, things such as even minimally invasive things like the vagina angelo. These are all things that we offer, but then we actually go a little bit further. Again, as we age, we have to even go further, because then we have problems such as discoloration. We can actually have excess fat between our legs. Sometimes even as we lose weight, we can have an excess skin that's there that, again, it just makes it droopy and unsightly. So things like the wing lift or things like radio frequency treatments, those are all things that can give the vaginal exterior side a very, very nice and plump appearance. But in addition, we can even go further, because just like we take care of the face and we take care of discoloration on the face, we can take care of skin lightening on the intimate areas. So things like the vulva, the vagina, even near the rectum. Those are all things that literally, as women, if we see ourselves, it's going to affect how we feel about our lady parts. So these are all just a few of some of the things that we have here at Sugarland Medical Spa. So we literally do our best to layer it on to really get to the heart of, what does this patient desire? What is their desired look, in order to make them feel the happiest? I truly believe that, as some of one of the most precious things we have in life, is our partner, because at the end of the day, this is who we're going to wake up to. This is who we're going to look at. And I have some ladies that are actually living like roommates. I mean, literally, they could care less whether they have sex or not. So one of the perfect solutions for that are things like bioidentical hormone balancing. So I've had ladies say before that, they were actually meaner to their husbands, and now that they had their hormones rebalanced, they feel like they're nicer. The vagina is moisture. There's more moisture in the vagina. The clitoris is actually more responsive to those areas. So there are so many things that are out there to help you, and this is why we've mastered this. We specialize in feminine rejuvenation. We're here to help you look and feel your best at all times in life. So feel free to visit us. We offer free consultations for the services, and visit us today at www.sugarlandmedspa.com. And one little thing to let you know too is that on YouTube, sometimes I'm being a little careful, because again, I don't want to get banned for showing pictures, that are explicit, but please, we have the pictures on our website. Again, www.sugarlandmedspa.com. If you like this content, if you feel free to comment on it, feel free to that like and subscribe button. So let me know if you have more questions like this. Again, we're here in Sugar Land, Texas, which is right outside of Houston. We're here to help you look and feel your best, ladies. So you have a pleasant day, and God bless. Take care.